Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Word for free on your Mac. If you need Word to create documents, edit files, or share with someone, you don't need to buy anything. This method is completely free. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks. Now open up a web browser, Safari, Chrome, or whichever one you prefer. In the search bar, type Microsoft 365 and open the official website. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't already have one, just create it. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, you'll see all of Microsoft's apps available online, like Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. Click on Word, and the free web-based version will open right in your browser. From here, you can start typing a new document, format text, and it works almost the same as the desktop version. If you already have a Word file saved on your Mac, just go to File, select Open, and then click Open Files from this device to upload and edit it directly in the browser. When you're done, you can share your document with others by email or download a copy straight to your Mac. Just go to File, then select Create a Copy, and finally click Download a Copy. And that's it. You now have Microsoft Word running for free on your Mac using Microsoft 365 Online. If this video helped, don't forget to like it and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.